Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the eToro app. First, download the eToro app from your device's app store and complete the installation. Next, you'll create and verify your new account, which typically involves providing some personal details and identification. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This central hub provides quick access to your watch lists, portfolio, and the discovery section, making it easy to start exploring. Now let's get your account funded. eToro offers several deposit options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and e-wallets, often with a minimum deposit of $50. Once funded, use the search bar to find assets you're interested in, such as Apple stock or Bitcoin. When you're ready to trade, simply tap on the asset, enter your desired investment amount, and confirm your order. It's that straightforward to make your first move. eToro's social features are a game changer. You can browse the social feed to see what other traders are discussing and even follow successful investors. The copy trader feature allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced users, making it ideal for beginners. For broader diversification, explore smart portfolios, which are thematic investment strategies managed by eToro's experts, offering a balanced approach to various markets. Keeping an eye on your portfolio is crucial. The app provides real-time updates on your investments, showing profits and losses clearly. To manage risk, always consider setting stop-loss and take-profit orders. These automatically close your trades when certain price points are reached. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.